In this video, I am sharing with you how I made this vanilla sponge cake. I made this cake in my brother's 2nd anniversary and I decorated this cake with the Swiss buttercream. Hello everyone, this is me Sharmin Shuma and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe. And now let's start today's video. The ingredients you need: sugar 150 gram, corn flour 30 gram, baking powder half teaspoon, flour 120 gram, milk 40 gram, vegetable oil 40 gram, and also you need 4 eggs and 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now with the strainer, strain the all dry ingredients. Separate the egg yolk from egg white. Now take the egg white in a large bowl and then beat it with electric hand beater. Beat until it becomes thick foam like that. Now I'm adding half of the sugar. Beat for 1 to 2 minutes and then add the fresh sugar. Egg yolk. Check it on your fingers that the sugar melted properly or not. I'm going to beat these ingredients one more time. Now adding that all dry ingredients, add little by little. Don't add all the things at a time. Now adding oil, milk and vanilla essence 2 teaspoons. Mix softly and slowly. This bowl becomes so small for my ingredients, so I'm changing the bowl and take a big size bowl for these ingredients. Now I will beat it with a hand whisk. Mix well until it becomes a soft and smooth paste. This mixture is ready now. Now I will put it into a pan, but before it I have to preheat the oven. I will bake this cake in 180 degrees Celsius, and there is written 3 bake, so I turn it into 3 and time is 50 minutes. 10 minutes is for preheat and 40 minutes is for bake the cake. It's started now. Okay, I have taken this 9-inch pan and now I will put ghee around this pan so that the cake doesn't stuck in. Tap the pan for 2-3 times. Now I'm putting it into the oven and I will wait for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm checking the cake is completely done or not. If the knife came out clearly, that it has been done. See the knife? And that's the final result. Look how beautiful the cake is looking now. I will put it out after 5 to 10 minutes. After cooling down the cake completely, you can design the cake with cream as you like.
Happy Merry second anniversary!
Okay, that's all for now today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then give a like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.
দ্বিতীয় বিবাহ বার্ষিকী